Hey everyone, in this session, after specifying the bidding strategies, I'm going to let you know about the site links. So just try to understand the site linking extensions concept. So if you just specify like any kind of keywords in Google, let's say I specified the digital marketing services in Lahore, and after that, if I navigate down and search what are the companies are providing the services for this particular keyword, you will be able to see that some of the ads are keep displaying and the organic results are also presenting in front of us. So here, the site links are the one which will be keep providing more information like this way now in text and descriptions. So the more the descriptions and the more the stuffs you will be keep providing and specifying like these some keywords, the better the idea that end customer would like to click on your funnel now. So these are the main concept of the site links. You can keep, I already created. If you would like to create a new one, you can just click on the new one. You can specify more targeted keyword like digital marketing, and the another keyword you can say the social media marketing, and as per your product and services, and then you can specify the website's addresses as well. So anyone else would also be keep clicking on the funnel, and the more the site links you will be keep adding, the more the end customer will be able to know what you are selling now. So you can add as much as it is as per depending upon your requirement, and then click on the click and continue button. So once you will be keep clicking on the continue button, here the similar concept which I coach you on the display networks now, on the basis of my websites, you have seen at the bottom, Google is keep adding some of the keywords themselves now. So I would like to, the concepts which I showed you, these are the one which Google is recommending. But if you are targeting for the specific keywords, then you need to focus on the keyword planner and see their volume of searches, which I coached you previously, and keep specifying. And after that, uh, specifying all these information, then you need to click on the continue and save button. And then you need to again specify like your website URL, digital marketing, or whatever the landing page will be. You need to specify their information, and the similar of the rest of the informations. You need to specify the headings and the descriptions, and once you specify everything, and then you need to click on the save and button, so your ad will be ready. Like this is how it keeps showing now. So I just keep leaving the information as it is now, just showing you the process that how you can create your search campaign as it is now. So I would like to recommend that first you need to target on the display network campaign, which is the very effective campaign now, and then you can do the hands-on practice on the search campaign with the help of first selecting your keyword planner and then the target audience now. So thank you very much for watching this session.